Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make an explosion box. I will use these cardboards of different colors as well as this 30 by 30 printed paper of Crolando. I will use this one. Well, the first thing I will do is divide the paper in 3 equal parts of 10 centimeters. We mark 10 centimeters and 20. We do the same on the horizontal side. Okay, and now when we have marked everything, we take a jewel knife or an embossing board and draw the lines for folding the paper better. This way we will divide our paper in 9 squares. I will show you when I'm finished. Okay, we're going to fold now. Okay. Almost there. Oh, as you see, these are the 9 squares I was talking about before. We're going to make a cut here, so we take a roller and a cutter and we cut. We're going to make 4 cuts as this one, always on the right side. We spin the paper and on the right side we make a cut. We do the same until we have the 4 cuts. With these cuts we can make our box this way. We cover our box with the parts which are left over. It is a better way of using the paper because it could be done with a cross, but well, this way we can put more text on the corners. Now we're going to round the corners for making them look nicer. Rounding them will also prevent from bending. To decorate the center of the box and making our explosion box, we will use 2 cardboard pieces. The width is 10 centimeters and the length is 30 centimeters in decline. So we join the 2 papers making a cross, and now we just have to fold it. Okay, as you see, I have already another cross, purple colored, glued in the center. I just have to put glue in the center and stick our new cross. Okay? We can make as many coats as we want, but my advice is to decrease the size for closing it easily and also for seeing the other coats with ease. Here we can see the purple coat. What's more, for making the box cover, we're going to draw a 10.5 by 10.5 square, a bit bigger than our box. And now on the sides, we're going to mark 2 lines of 2 centimeters and 1.5, which will help us to make the cover side. We mark these measurements on the 4 sides of our square. Okay, I have already cut the cover's template as you see, and now we're going to fold. And if you pay attention, the most external part, the 1.5 centimeter one, has an additional flap in the right side. This will help us to join all the pieces and create the cover. We fold these flaps also, and now we're going to put glue. You can put it on both parts, 2 centimeters and 1.5, whatever you want. I'm going to put it on the white one where we will glue the flaps. Okay. what we're going to do is fold and glue the flap on the container side. And now we cover it with the cardboard. Okay, so we put into our flap. Okay, fold the cardboard covering it, and we put pressure on it for getting it glued. We do the same with the rest, and well, this is our cover. Now we will see if it puts in the box. So we wrap it as when we started making our box. We cover it, and well, the only thing left could be decorating it. So for example, we could write any little message, put photos, or keep any small gift in the inside. So well, this is our explosion box. When we open it, everything we have put in spreads out. I hope you liked it. Bye, and don't forget subscribing to my channel.